We are going downstream, and then we're going to turn around and go back upstream and sail upstream. We got a wind that's probably 5 to 8 miles an hour. It's attack side. Okay. Yeah. Ooh wee, getting water on it. Pretty low to the ground, or the water. It's a beautiful day out. Had a slight rainstorm come through, but everything looks good now. Can't wait till we go back upstream and see how this sail works really well. Hey Joe, do you recommend some kind of lubricant to go in that track that the rudder lines run through? What should I put in it? Okay. Yeah, because it feels pretty tight. Yeah. Yeah, we just got this sail installed today, made by Falcon Sails, one of my sponsors. I like it, Joe. Yeah. Yeah. My foot pedals aren't set right. I know that. It's very, I have to put a lot of strength into it to push the pedals, and I think they need to go further back in the bulkhead and then that bag that I got. No, I think I'm alright for now, but this wouldn't be ideal for like long traveling, because that rudder feels like it's really tight, super tight. I think it needs some juice.